Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm 6 feet tall, and I'm represented by Coast to Coast. I've been playing golf since I was a little kid. I grew up in the East Coast. I played in high school, played in college. I love playing in Hawaii when it's possible to access it. There's a place called the Royal Hawaiian Golf Course there on Oahu, and you're essentially golfing in a rainforest. I love playing down here in SoCal. There's a golf course called Miramar where they filmed Top Gun back in the day. And so a friend of mine who works over there gets us in early before the general public, and we play with the airplanes flying low, the helicopters doing drills. It's really quite sweet. Scratch golfer for the most part, plus few, minus few, depends on the day. I can get the ball off the tee box super far. I'm a hockey player, so I figure out the whole swing logistics and analytics there. And my friends love playing with me because of that fact. 300 plus yard drives, gets into the tee and possibly two, especially on the par 5. Throw some videos up of me hitting the drives, one in slow-mo, and there's even one of me putting for a natural eagle, which is awesome. And I've done a lot of improv. So went through the UCB system, understand sort of reading between the lines, taking the script, ripping it up, reacting off of what's happening on the scene, with direction, without direction. When it comes to golf, I think we can have a lot of fun. So thanks a lot.
For Eagle. John Erickson for Eagle. Yes!
High five.
Well done.
Awesome.